Welcome, guys. So we are going to talk about what is career counselor. So what is counseling? How it helps? Why it is important? Career counseling or counselor. How it works. So all those things I will tell you in a very brief way, short way. Counseling is a process that helps a person understand themselves in order to take an informed decision about their career. Correct? Career counseling helps manage a diverse range of problems such as low concentration levels to the poor time management, issues with the family, and disagreement between parents and children on which careers to choose. It is an effort for students to give them the guidance while they are choosing their career paths as per their interest and streams of the academics. There are several factors that influence your career development, including your personality, interest, capabilities, values, background, and other circumstances. So this is definitely help you to know and understand yourself, the world of work, in order to make career and other decision. And why it is important? You need someone who know it all. Career counselor are aware of the jobs in the market and the skills that are required for the specific fields. They are the professional and observed a wide range of students who are approached year by year and give them a neutral option to the career. While dealing with the parents, so many times what happens? The child decision is different and the parents decision is different. The child thinks that I want to do this, which I am interested, but the parents they are not agreed because they want their child in the good stage, because what all the suffer they have till till the day, that should not be have with their child. But they also have some of the confusion in which field I can get a good thing to my child. There are so many service offered to the career counselor, like they give the guidance, give the workshop, admission guidance, and clean education plan, and where the placement can be happens. Counseling is an art which counselor motivate their candidate, their knowledge, skills, potential, and polish them as much they shine with their interesting fields and areas. I like to tell you one thing, that this work is not as easy to order a coffee and drink it. If you take a person, if we take a person near the Himalaya mountain and tell him to climb, whether he is not interested, that is not good to him or us, to force him. If he is really interested, he will search the way how to climb, what the time is there, at what time I can reach, how I will get the way, ideas to climb till the top. Likewise, there is no forcible should needed in any of the circumstance. So taking the career guidance is a very good thing. Not only for the students, I am talking here. I am talking about the working persons also. If they want any upgrade in their career, they can take the help of the career counselor, which he guides him to upgrade him in the future without any fear or any confusion. You can straight away go to the career counselor, which he helps you. So today I have covered with all the points why career counseling is important and what is career counselor. So thank you all. My name is Suryan Venkat. I have done MBA Event Management, PG Diploma, Psychology and Counseling at Katil Pai. I am a positive psychology coach done in Evolve Inspiration Delhi. I am a Patanjali Yoga teacher. I am pursuing my MSc Psychology from Jain University and also doing my 3G Advanced Career Guidance Program at 3G Institute of Research and Policy Studies, headquartered at IIT Madras Research Park. Guys, you need any help, my number is 98454 Thank you all once again. I hope you all like it. Please share and comment. Thank you. We'll see you by the next topic.